Hello everyone, welcome to It's Study with Didi. Hi, my name is Dee and I love animals. Do you like animals too? Cool, tell me what's your favorite animals? Oh, I love them too. You know what? I got a lot of animals on my backyard. You wanna see them? Amazing. Let's go. Can you see any animal in here? Oh, you found it. Cool. Can you tell me what animal that is? Excellent. That's a cat. Can you see any animal in here? Oh, you found it. Cool. Can you tell me what animal that is? You're amazing. Yes, that's a bird. You did it. I'm so proud of you. Now it's time for a little quiz. Are you ready? Ready, set, go! What's that animal? That's a bird. B I R D. A bird. Did you get it right? What's that animal? Write down your answer at the comment sections. Don't forget to like and also follow.